I'm born and raised in the Valley of the Sun. I'm Melissa Anaya, and I'm bringing you Eat, Drink, AZ. To the Arizona Taco Festival. If you like tacos like I like tacos, then this is the festival you guys want to be at. I also heard something which is really crazy to me. Someone told me that the chimichanga is the Arizona state food. Well, I want to declare something today. I want to declare that the taco is the Arizona state food because I don't see no chimichanga festivals up in here. Now let's go get this fiesta started. You know I can't get through a festival without hitting up a good food truck. That's why I had to go check out the two amigos over at Mas Tacos. Two homies that used to party together. Now they went into business and they're whipping up bomb tacos. So let's see if their tacos are as good as their partying skills used to be. It's juicy, it's tender. You can taste every single piece of that meat in your mouth. And then they're homemade. Their avocado sauce, right on point, boys. You got it. Thank God you guys gave up partying. This is delicious. Salud. You gotta check out this little hidden gem in downtown Phoenix. Taco Cello is one of my favorite taquerias, and I get to show you their carnitas taco today. Who doesn't love good, juicy carnitas? And so simple. Just a little bit of lime, cilantro. You got your sauce on there. Amazing job, Taco Cello. Salud. Healthy eaters, my taco eaters that want to feel good right after they eat tacos, Chaya Organica is the spot for you. They accommodate gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, you name it. You got a peanut, nut allergy, whatever you have, they got you covered here at Chaya Organica. Check out their double-decker Cajun chicken taco. Oh yeah, healthy, but they're going big or going home, baby. We got a red bean puree in the middle. Look at that creamy Cajun chicken right there. Walla Walla onions, a sweet relish. You can taste the freshness. You can taste the goodness. You guys nailed it when it comes to freshness. Cheers. I have two words for you, Loco Patron. This one is very dear to me. Why? Because I actually went to high school with one of the owners, so I had to come check them out. And the reason why you have to check them out is because they have the award-winning pork crunchy taco, baby. I want you guys to hear the crunch that is about to go down in this taco. Are you ready for this? Award winner right here, baby. That pork is so tender and juicy, and that cotija cheese, oh yeah. I'm loving this. Kudos to you, Loco Patron. Salud. You had as much fun as I did at the Arizona Taco Festival. I better see you next year. I'm Melissa Anaya, and this is Eat, Drink, AZ.